Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing a recipe video and I'm going to show you how to make Chipotle guacamole. And as always, the written recipe is in the description box below. So first you are going to start with chopping up 1/4 of an onion. Next, chop up 2 tablespoons of cilantro. Chop up 1/2 of a jalapeno, and you can leave the seeds in or you can take them out depending on if you want it spicy or not. 2 avocados. Two teaspoons of lime juice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And now you just have to mix all the ingredients together. Now I'm putting it into my serving bowl. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you in another video. Bye.